we need tenacious, audacious, persistent, resilient Christians in our generation that will keep on showing up kahit mahirap, masakit ang ginawa nila sa akin. Pero hindi ako nandito para sa kanila. Nandito ako para dun sa calling na meron ng Panginoon sa akin. I have every right to quit right now, but it doesn't mean quitting is right. We have every excuse to quit right now, but it doesn't mean that quitting is right. Nobody stood by me, but the Lord. Let's put that verse again. But the Lord. Tignan nyo yung tatlong bagay na ginawa ng Lord kay Apostle Paul. Can you see it? Tatlong bagay na ginawa ng Lord kay Apostle Paul. Can you see it? I see it. But the Lord, number one, stood at my side. Number two, the Lord gave me strength. Number three, the Lord delivered me from the lion's den. That's what God can do in your life. Hindi sila titindig para sa